Hello friends, good day to all of you and welcome back to my channel. Sometime back I had started this series breakfast ideas with eggs and everybody is loving it. They are asking me to post more and more recipes because egg is something that many love to have for breakfast. And Maggi noodles, of course, kids love them. So how about combining these two and making something nice for breakfast? Sounds interesting, isn't it? This is going to be a big hit with your children. You make it for them and they will love it. Here are the ingredients. We'll require Maggi noodles 2 packets, oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, eggs 2, black pepper 2-3 pinches, salt to taste, red chili flakes 1/4 teaspoon. Ingredients list also can be checked in the description box. Now let's proceed. Now take a pan and boil the water. Measure it little less than what is written mentioned on the packet, noodles packet. Add 1 tablespoon of oil so that the noodles don't stick together. Now we'll allow this to boil. Once it starts boiling, drop in the noodles. We'll require 1 packet for each nest. Now add the seasoning sachet that's provided in the pack. I've used masala noodles, veg masala noodles. They are made of whole wheat atta noodles. Flip them, and once they are little wet and soggy, open them up. Do not break the noodles, we require them intact. Now cover and cook on medium flame until the water is absorbed. In between, open and separate them with the help of the fork. They are nearly done. Noodles are ready. We have used less water so that they are nice and firm. Now take a pan, non-stick pan preferably, and grease it liberally. Place the noodles, making a well in the middle. Divide the noodles into 2 portions as we have taken 2 packets. This way, divide them equally and make 2 nests. Now break an egg and pour it into the well. One is done. Now here goes the second egg. Make sure the yolk stays in the middle. Sprinkle salt, black pepper and chili flakes on top. If children like cheese, you can also sprinkle little grated cheese on top. Arrange them neatly, giving them a round shape. Now reduce the flame and cover the pan. Cook it on medium and low, adjusting the flame from time to time until the yolks are firm. If you like a runny yolk, you can cook for less time. This is done now. We can serve it. Doesn't it look amazing? Wow! Kids are going to be super excited to have this as a breakfast. So friends, you can make this as a Sunday special breakfast and enjoy with your family. The delicious egg in a nest, in the Maggi noodle nest. I hope you are enjoying my recipes. Do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Choose the all option to get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. You might be interested in watching some of the old videos from my collection too. Check them out.